Let's see how to fill the register of voters, which is also known as Form 17A. In Form 17A, there are 5 columns. First column is the serial number of Form 17A. Second column is the serial number of elector. In electoral roll, this detail will be provided by polling officer first through marked copy of electoral roll. Third column is the details of the document produced by the elector in proof of his or her identification. In fourth column, the thumb impression or signature of an elector is taken. And last column is the remarks column. Let's have a look at marked copy of electoral roll. Polling officer first is the in charge of marked copy of electoral roll. Once the voter is identified, the voter information details that are verified by the polling officer first will be written on the register of voters. Now we will see how to fill the entries for various category of voters. In first column, serial number of Form 17A is filled. In second column, serial number as mentioned in marked copy is written. In third column, ID proof details are written. In case of Epic card, only EP may be written. In fourth column, left thumb impression or signature of elector are taken. Fifth column is the remarks column if any. This way entries are completed. In case of EDC voter, AC number, elector roll part number and electoral roll serial number from EDC certificate along with the name is written in column number 2. In next column, EDC will be written. Then take the signature and write EDC in the remarks column. In case if voter shows ID other than Epic, then note down the last 4 digits of the ID card and rest of the things are same as discussed in first case. If a voter's name is in the ASD list provided by the ARO office, then in remarks column ASD will be written. Presiding officer keeps the record in prescribed format. Thumb impression will also be taken of ASD voter even though if he or she is literate person. So this is how the entries are written in Register of Voters of Form 17A in normal cases. Thank you.